Hello friends, now we see the problem number 6, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limits. The problem number 6 is limit x tends to 3 in bracket 1 upon x minus 3 minus 2 upon x square minus 4x plus 3, and finally the square bracket complete. Now let's see the solution. First of all, L is equal to limit x tends to 3 in square bracket 1 upon x minus 3 minus 2 upon x square minus 4x plus 3, and the square bracket is complete. The next step will be limit x tends to 3 in bracket 1 upon x minus 3, the term we write as it is, minus 2 upon. Now here the denominator is a quadratic function with last term 3, which can be factorized at 3 1s are 3. Now we need minus 4 in the middle term, so we write minus 3 minus 1. So the required factor for x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to x minus 3, and second factor is x minus 1. So the next step will be E is equal to limit x tends to 3 in bracket we take LCM in the denominator, that the different terms present in the denominator are respectively x minus 1 and x minus 3. Therefore, in the numerator we write 1 into x minus 1 and then minus. Now this x minus 1 and x minus 3 is both terms present in the second term, so we write 2 as it is. On simplifying further, we get limit x tends to 3 in bracket x minus 1 minus 2 upon x minus 1 and x minus 3. On simplifying further, we get limit x tends to 3. We have the term x minus 3 in the numerator upon x minus 1 and x minus 3 in the denominator. Now we cancel x minus 3 from numerator and denominator, stating the reason that since x tends to 3, therefore x not equal to 3, and therefore x minus 3 not equal to 0. It means we cancel x minus 3 from numerator and denominator. So is equal to limit x tends to 3, we left with the term 1 upon x minus 1, and finally we substitute x as a 3, so we get 1 upon 3 minus 1, and that equal to 1 upon 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.